Want to record your screen like a professional YouTuber but don't want to spend a single dollar? Most beginners use the wrong software and end up with laggy, low-quality videos. Watch until the end to set up OBS the right way in under 3 minutes. Open your web browser and search for OBS or go directly to the official website. Important: always download from the official site. Fake versions can harm your computer. Choose your operating system, such as Windows, to start downloading the installer file. This step is simple, but picking the wrong version is a common mistake, so double-check before you click. Open your Downloads folder, double-click the installer, and follow the prompts by clicking Next until the installation finishes. Keep watching because the next step is where most people mess up their video quality. Launch OBS and click the Settings button in the bottom right corner to begin your configuration. Now go to the Output tab. Pay close attention here. Set your recording path. Choose an easy-to-find folder like Videos. Choose MP4 as the format. Select High Quality for the best results. MP4 works on almost every device. Don't use other formats unless you know what you're doing. That's it. You're now recording like a pro. If this helped, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to edit your recording in minutes without complicated software.